Hi guys, it's Therese and welcome back to my channel. So today's going to be a curly half wig tutorial. You're going to need a couple things to complete this look. A dome cap, a styrofoam head, some needle and thread, some scissors, some clips to sew into your cap, and some T-pins. The hair I'm using today is Big Beautiful Hair. It is in the color 4/30 and 3C Whirly Hair. That's the name of it. So we're going to start by doubling the first length of hair. We're going to double it up and then we're going to start sewing it onto the cap. When I first put the bundles on, I put it through the weft. The first part, I pull it through the weft and then knot it. And then the rest of it, you just go underneath and you keep like weaving it through and knotting it. And I double knot it. I think I show you right here. I'm gonna put the loop around it twice and then pull it through, and that's gonna make the knot. So once you get to the end of like the space on your head, instead of cutting it, I flip the bundle over. That just like reduces shedding and everything. So you're gonna flip it over and then I pin it with a T-pin, and then you just sew as you would normally. Right here, I just flip it over. You try to make it flat. I always double, like, knot the first one, and then I keep going through as normal. Guys, I apologize for like this horrible lighting, but it's the best I could do. Also, ignore my voice. My allergies are killing me, but I didn't want to wait any longer to do this voiceover. So as I move farther up the head, when I get to the sides of the head, I sew like one part upward a little bit, so when you turn it over, it's flat. If you guys keep seeing like the picture jumping, I tried to like make this video as short as possible because I don't like watching long tutorials. So I was like, at first this video was like 30 minutes long, but that was too long. I got it down to 10 minutes, so I think I did pretty good. Okay, so we're done with the first bundle, and the second bundle I doubled as well, and you're just gonna put it next to the bundle we left off at, and you just put the needle through the weft at first and then just go underneath for the rest of them. I also forgot to say that this pack of hair came with like 4 bundles of it inside. So the bottom 2 I doubled because I wanted it very full, and then the top 2 I left like just single. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you what it looks like sewed down flat. So when you flip it over, you don't want to flip it all the way over and pull it like super tight. You want to leave a little extra room so when you sew it down that it is flat. So right here you can see that this is the third bundle here because it's single weft. I didn't double it up because we're getting closer to the top and you want to make it flatter. I hope this tutorial is helping and I'm explaining it well enough. Hopefully. Also, as I started getting closer to the top, I realized that I wasn't going to have enough hair, which is another reason why I didn't double the third one. but I'm also like leaving bigger spaces between each weft because it is curly hair, so it's gonna like cover up better than it with straight hair because it has more volume. When you're sewing, you don't want to sew all the way to the edge of the cap because we're going to leave that part of our hair out. Right here, I'm just showing you the spacing I left between each weft as we got closer to the top so you have an idea of how much I left out. So we got to the top and now we're going to be on our fourth bundle. And right there, I'm just showing you the way I thought I was going to place the hair down. I actually didn't sew it down like zigzag like that. But basically, we're going to take the last bundle, we're just going to sew it as we would the rest of the head. We're just going to keep sewing, and I just basically kept going in a U pattern like I was before. I didn't cross over like I just showed. So when we get to the edge, we're gonna knot the string and then we're gonna cut the weft because we want it to lay flat on the top. Don't mind grandma in the background, but yeah, just cut it and then use the rest of it and sew it in a U shape just like normal. And the reason why we cut it is because if you flip it over, it's gonna look more lumpy. I don't know why. At that part, it looks so funny to me because it looks like I'm so mad just slamming the hair down on the head. I don't know. But anyways, yeah. So I'm just figuring out how I'm going to sew the rest of it down. I flipped it over, but I'm actually sewing it in U just like I was before. So I'm just going to keep on sewing till we get done. I sewed just enough to leave out the amount of hair I want to on the top. So this is going to be the end of our half wig, and we're just going to cut it off, and that's about it. There will be another video showing you how I styled and installed this wig. If you like this video, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you.